understand right now that adult marketing can make you a millionaire. I'm a millionaire from adult marketing. I'm scaling things up to 10K plus, possibly 100K plus per day just from adult marketing. I'm talking, you go on these adult websites, okay? Not like you don't see anything. You don't go to adult websites. You go to adult advertiser sites like Traffic Junkie, ExoClick, Arrow Advertising, Traffic Factory, and other sites like this. These sites are the cheapest platforms in the world for paid ads. Okay, cheap. I'm talking, you can get 1,000 people for $2, 1,000 people for $3, to actually see your freaking landing pages and funnels and websites. That's a big deal. Okay, I make thousands per day with this. I'm teaching people how to do this as well and radically changing people's lives. This is a big deal. Okay, now if you want to make easily $666 per day, okay, you can do that. Okay, way more than that. All you got to do is find a high converting offer. It doesn't matter the niche. The niche doesn't matter at all, in fact. Because what we've discovered is with adult ads, it's the same people on Facebook, same people on freaking YouTube. You can promote anything you want. Now, adult offers usually, and dating offers and all this stuff, usually converts even better. Where do you find these offers? You find them on Crack Revenue. And in adult marketing, this is what most people don't talk about, is you need an angle to your marketing, a good angle. What's a good angle? It could be like, there's a trend happening right now with maybe politics. Try not to go the politics route. But let's say it's Christmas and you use Christmas theme for your adult marketing promoting an offer. Let's say another angle is like you use memes or the funny angle. You try to do funny stuff in your banners. Okay, this is for banner advertising. Before I was talking about pop under traffic, the cheapest in the world. Banner advertising is just as cheap too. Okay, but you're paying per click, which can be all the way from 3 cents to 10 cents, but the people actually click deliberately to see what's on the other side of your banner ad, okay? That's huge, because they deliberately want to be there. Pop under is like, they click something, and then they end up on a page. It's still as effective if you know what you're doing, okay? You got to have a good offer, a good pre-sale page, all this stuff in place. Now, you can make a lot of money with this, guys. I'm not kidding, okay? This is underground industry. No one's talking about this. And it will radically transform your life. It's transformed my life and countless other people's lives. And those who are hitting it big, I mean bigger than me, who don't even want to talk about it, they're making like $1 million a day. $1 million a day plus. Okay? And especially people who own these sites, okay? These big sites. Now, if you want to do it for free, who cares? I mean, paid traffic's the way to go always. You can tap into a traffic source and literally get traffic to you, promoting something that works. You put money in, make money out. Free doesn't matter, but if you want to crush it with free traffic, you make content yourself. Female usually will have better time with this. I definitely don't want to make content myself. But you repost content is another method, and you link to a site, okay? An affiliate offer, anything like that. If you want to make your own offers, which is something that should be discussed, if you want to make your own offers with adult marketing, your offers could be teaching things, okay, like a digital product teaching like how to pick up chicks, an angle towards men, or you could angle towards women, how to get guys attracted to her or something like that, okay? And you charge a good price, you make a funnel on ClickFunnels, okay? And you have upsells and everything in place. And you want to make sure you have something very low ticket on the front end and you're able to persuade people to purchase. Okay, this is very effective. And you know, there's a million angles, a million routes you could go with adult ads. It's not strict at all like Facebook. Okay, I've said this a million times, but it's like not strict. You can do anything. The only things you can't do is like drugs and guns and what else? Casino type stuff. I'm not sure if you can do Forex type things or whatever. Or even like cryptocurrency type stuff you can't really do. But that doesn't matter because you could do anything else. Okay? And there's so much traffic, it's actually crazy disgusting how much traffic there is because people are missing out on it. They don't know what to do. They don't know what to do. And that just leaves people like me and you to go clean up. Clean up. Like eventually I'll be at the point where I'm literally going to take over as much as I can inside of the traffic that's available on these sites. And it's going to be insane. But, you know, many steps, man. Many steps and big leaps. But at the end of the day, guys, here's the best funnel you could do right now to start doing this. You go to freaking Crack Revenue and you're like, hey, I want to find a great offer. You could talk to them there. They're very responsive. You say, hey, I want a great offer to promote. They give you it. And then you grab your affiliate link, okay? And then you set up a paid ad. It could be a pop under ad. If it's a pop under ad, do a pre-sale page, okay? And go about an angle, leveraging different persuasion techniques. You can go check out my other channels about persuasion and marketing and stuff like this. And you leverage these biases on your landing page for that angle, okay? Pop under traffic. Or you can do a normal banner ad and go over to Traffic Junkie or ExoClick or anything like that. You can make a banner ad that just direct links to affiliate offer that's a high converting offer. Because nothing works unless your offer works. You can't just promote an offer and hope for the best. You gotta do an offer that works, okay? So there you go. That's a great strategy to start right now. Okay, I've got way more advanced training inside the program. If you're interested in the adult marketing program, go check that out. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys later. Peace out.